Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I am gonna be using ELDRIC kit as an overpowered kit, alright? So, hold on. No, not gift. Let's go to ELDRIC. Where's ELDRIC? There it is. I don't have RobloxBedwars took all of it, see? So, now we're just gonna use this kit and show that it's very OP, so... yeah, I'll see you guys in the match, alright? We are currently in the next match right now. And, yeah, apparently people decided to choose this. Balloons and snowballs. So, we'll be seeing a couple of people in the void with balloons. Wait, is it in the shop? Yeah, it is. 2 emeralds. Wow, that's pretty nice. I'm just gonna buy blocks because I'm gonna heal someone. I'm not gonna try and fight, I'm just gonna try and heal. Dang. Wait, stop. What? Oh, there you go. Stop. Okay, just stop. Come on. We gotta get the battle. Come on. We gotta get to this battle. Come on. Yeah! Let's go, team. Alright, I'm gonna... Wait. Let me heal you. Bro, I swear to God. This guy better kill the entire lobby. I'm just here healing him all the time, bro. Where are you going? Just kill someone. Go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, we have no time to be waiting, alright? Am I lagging or is he lagging? He just like teleported. I'll get this diamond, come on. Why is he like this, bro? I swear. Alright, do you want some more? I gotta protect myself. It's up there. Alright, guys. I just have to protect myself. This is not a guy. Oh, stop! Woo! Don't stop. Come on. I got one stack. Alright, keep giving me more. No. Stop. No. I can't do anything with these teammates. Gonna put my arm to the chest. You don't have to follow me. Yes, I do. Now I have to follow a new person. Look, now I have to follow him. And walk like I carried several teams in my entire life and I never stopped. So this is my back now. Unless you don't walk straight, I walk bended. All right. I thought he was about to sabotage. Yo, where you going? Wait. Oh, all right. Let's go. Come on. I gotta get my stacks. Come on. Yeah. This is what I like to see. Okay, this is not what I like to see. What is this? Whoa. Look at this. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm sorry. I will have to be going. He's almost dead. Wait, I'll come with you. Come on, I'll heal you. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Bro, why were there like so many skeletons around here, bro? There's like 2 billion, and my teammate almost died to all those skeletons. No, I'm gonna try and do some work with this. Since my teammates have 0 courage, they can not fight. All I've seen is this guy bop someone into the void once, and he has been collecting loot and living his life. Yo, I don't have armor. This might not be the best thing to do. Oh, he's fighting me. Alright, come here, boy. Come here, I'll smack you. Come here, boy. Come here. Thank you for the stack, alright? Thank you. I appreciate that. Just gonna push me. Hey, I appreciate you a lot, alright, my boy? Appreciate you. You just gave me the time of my life. It was just standing there with me like, you can get the free stack. I'll go back to base, alright? Bro, he looks like a friendly player, like he's just experiencing the game or something like that. Should I buy Dinosaur Pearls? I think Dinosaur would scare everyone, wouldn't it? Ah, screw it. I am the most obvious person in this entire lobby. Yeah, I'm gonna get my stacks. Yo. Yo. Yeah. That was not the play, alright? That was not the play. Apparently they're doing the play. Yeah! Oh, this is so funny. Wow. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Look, this is the ultimate tryhard team, but they all just lose into this team. Look what is going on, bro. Alright, got 2 stacks. Let's see if I can get more. Alright, I'm giving one more chance to my teammates. I'm gonna go to this one, and I'm gonna help him. And if he doesn't do anything, then, yeah, I'm going on my own. Wait! Oh! I did not see that crack, alright? I was very focused onto my teammate, alright? This is how focused I am on my teammates. Alright, it's alright. We can get our loot back. We can get our loot back. In a couple of time, alright? Oh, diamond sword, no diamond sword, doesn't matter to me. 4 emeralds down the drain, and doesn't matter to me. So I tried one more time, now I'm going on my own. I'm just gonna find a guy. Like this guy right here. He's the friendly guy. Wait. Bop! No, come here! Come here! Yeah! He's trying to build. Are you dead? You're dead. Okay, you're not dead. You're not dead. You're not dead. You're not dead. Where did he come from? Okay. Alright, guys. I'll just take care of that guy if he wants to be toxic. I mean, toxic is toxic. I can't really do anything about being toxic. So it's fine. What is this? Bro, I need to get them all away from their base to start attacking. Maybe I should go on yellow. But since he wants to be toxic, I'll just wipe his team out if I need to. Like, there's nothing they can really do. Yeah, then he's gonna try hard. Yeah, and you're dead. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm getting pushed by an entire team. Wow, bro. Whoa! That fall damage crazy, bro. It's fine, it's fine. Alright, maybe stuff fine. My team's gonna be taking all the iron. What is going on? We need that destruction. My team is dedicated to being the most protected team. What is this? Oh my god, bro. Why is this guy... Be toxic. Come on. I'll just be toxic back. Alright, now I really need stacks, so I'm gonna heal this guy because he seems the most I don't know. Come on, no time to be sitting around all day. Come on, let's go. What are you doing? No, come on. Oh, break this, I guess. Do I need to go diamond collecting, or they need to go diamond collecting? Hold on. I'll just go diamond collecting then. I mean, it's my choice. I don't really have to. But, hey, I decided to be... Wait, can I get stacks? Oh, let me get this really low, right? I mean, I ain't waiting 2 minutes for this. Alright, watch this. Yeah, I got a stack. Or not. Is that guy up there just chilling? Is he down? Yeah, Pirate Navy swearing. Are you gonna do it again? Do it again, come on. Okay, nice job, bro. And you're not going anywhere, alright? You stay down. Oh my god, I think he's him. He just went, 5 hours went straight past him. Sheesh. Alright, what is this, bro? My teammates really don't want anyone getting into our base. What is this, bro? I think I'm just gonna get our teammates at tier 3 at this point, so they can start doing something. No one broke this? Wow, I'm surprised. Now I need to put these diamonds in the chest or else I'll lose them to some nerdy players. Alright, why are you giving them loot? Like, we're supposed to get loot, not them. Do I always do this? No, and that man just took so much fall damage and died instantly, bro. Yeah, I think me and my teammate need some personal help out here, bro. We just need 4 diamonds, and that's it. We literally have a tier 3, we can cap our entire life away. And I could just, you know, cut the part out back, and we got killed the last match because they didn't have a break, alright? They were tired of that match, so we're gonna continue from this match, and he just spelled /Bedwars. What? Don't slash. Why are we getting targeted? Whoa, whoa. I just turned around, bro. I was AFK for a second, and then these guys are just there. Look. They're getting all the loot. And RTB /Bedwars. Now we're have to deal with 2v4, v4, v4. Oh, now it's a 2v4, v3, and a v4 again. I think we can do this. Wait, I can get my teammate this heal. I can heal you. Yes. Just come on, fight him, come on. Let's go, come on. No, he died. Oh. Bro, why are these dudes chasing me like that early? You're weird, bro. You're weird. Oh my god. He used the agony kit. Oh, and he has that cringe animation, of course. All the cringe people always have the cringe animation, what can I say? I mean, of course we're gonna get targeted. What do I think we're gonna get? A blessing or something? Of course we're gonna get targeted. We're the lowest team here, and apparently people don't like us here. Apparently this ELDRIC kit is not gonna help this team. Bro, if there's just one AFK person and there was one person left, I would just spawn killing him until I got so much stacks. Like, dude, where's my teammate, bro? He's all the way across the map collecting loot. And what am I trying to do? I'm trying to heal him. And what is he doing? He's not letting me. Yep, this is just life. This is just life. Well, this is not our game, I guess. Bro, my question is, where's my team? Like, where's my long last teammate? Oh, there he is. It's right here. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'll heal you. Going. Come on. I wish you could steal loot from people in this kit. Not heal or like damage them, like steal loot from your teammates and other people. Like that would be so broken. But this is what I need to do for the rest of the game. Just follow him. Wherever he goes, I go. And wherever I go, he goes. Because I have to heal him. So wherever I go, he goes. Don't get smacked off in the void by that. Oh, come on. Come on, bro. These guys know better than doing that. Come on, man. Build up. Come on, man. Come on, man. Mode. Of course I am. What can I expect? What's he doing? Okay, come on, hit a shot. Why am I walking in place? Look, Bob. Ain't gonna get me. I don't know who he's really aiming at. It's coming. No, it's not coming. Surprise! Oh crap. Woo. Oh, he just fell down. Let me just block myself off, alright? I need to make sure I'm safe. If I'm not, well, it's GG's for me. Our bed's already gone? By who? Who did it? Oh my gosh. Bro, if I just get one stack, like when I get one stack, I'm just gonna be happy enough. Because apparently I'm not using this kit right! Well, that did not help out much, did it? Interesting. So apparently I'm gonna have to make part 2 on this kid because I really am really bad at using this kit. So yeah. I mean, it's not me, it's my teammates, bro. They always like die. When I'm trying to heal them, they just, I don't know, run away. Like, you're getting healed by an ELDRIC, just fight them. And they're not. Either they're a Whisper or not, and ELDRIC is better. Like, fight them. But they just want to camp, get loot. They're loot boxes. They're literally becoming loot boxes. And what can I do? Absolutely nothing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Probably not, you're just watching me sit there and healed by bot teammates, and maybe you enjoyed. Well, the people who enjoyed. And what am I talking about? Like, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and drop a subscribe. I'm RobloxBedwars. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'm Mark, and I'm out.